Number 1.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It comes in a striking blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, both of which are in excellent condition. Under the hood, it is powered by a strong and smooth-running 5.7L Vortec V8 engine with fuel injection, paired with an automatic transmission that includes a dogleg 4WD system, ensuring dependable off-road performance. The Z71 off-road package enhances its durability and handling, while the locking rear differential with 3.73 gears provides superior traction and stability on rough terrain. Braking performance is reliable, thanks to front disc and rear drum brakes with ABS. Inside, the cabin is in immaculate condition. It's a non-smoker vehicle with no unusual odors,
offering a clean and comfortable environment.
It also comes equipped with a tow package featuring a heavy-duty receiver, making it ideal for hauling and outdoor adventures. Recent upgrades include brand new all-terrain tires mounted on stylish sawmill rims, a new die-hard battery with warranty, a new fuel pump, and freshly serviced fluids, ensuring that the truck is ready for the road and performs as smoothly as ever.
Number 2.
1985 Ford F-150, price $10,000, powered by a gasoline-fueled 302 Ford V8 engine. The engine is equipped with 10.5 to 1 TRW cast pistons, a Chet Herbert Category 3 camshaft with 360 to 370 lift and 260 to 280 duration, and AK5000 aluminum headers, delivering both strength and sound. It also includes a new Edelbrock carburetor, TRW bearings, and stock rods, ensuring reliability and consistent performance. Adding to its character, the truck runs with a Pete Jackson gear drive that produces a distinct mechanical tone, complemented by a Griffin aluminum radiator and dual electric fans for superior cooling. Power is delivered through a BM Slapstick C6 transmission to an 8.8-inch 3.73 positive rear end, optimizing both acceleration and cruising capability.
Number 3. 1995 GMC Sierra, price $6,000, well-preserved, unmodified truck, a perfect blank canvas ready for customization. Currently owned by its third owner, the next buyer would be the fourth. It comes with a clean and clear title under the current owner's name. The odometer shows 189,765 miles, with the number gradually increasing as the truck is occasionally driven. The Sierra runs smoothly and remains in original condition, showing no signs of tampering or heavy modification. Its engine and transmission operate reliably, making it a solid base for either a restoration project or a personalized build. The body maintains its classic GMC lines, and the interior retains its original setup, reflecting the truck's well-kept state over the years. The only thing it currently needs is a new set of tires to be fully road-ready. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,800. Inside, it offers a luxurious leather interior complemented by upgraded rosewood trim, giving the cabin a refined and classic look. This truck has been owned by the same family since 1999, reflecting the care and attention it has received over the years. It runs great and has undergone several important upgrades and maintenance improvements to ensure reliability. The transmission was rebuilt in 2022, along with the installation of a new air conditioning compressor and radiator the same year. In 2023, the front end was rebuilt and equipped with new front shocks, providing a smoother and more controlled ride. Additionally, a new master switch was installed in 2023, further enhancing functionality.
Number 5.
1977 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000. This truck features a powerful 350ci V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering the classic strength and smooth performance that defines Chevy trucks of its era. Finished in a sleek black exterior, this C10 comes in the desirable Silverado trim, offering a blend of style and utility. The truck is equipped with a durable spray-in bed liner, ensuring lasting protection and practicality for hauling or everyday use. Inside, the cabin is in notably nice condition, reflecting the care it has received over the years. Combining classic design, solid performance, and well-preserved details, this 1977 Chevrolet C10 stands as a fine example of vintage American craftsmanship.
Number 6.
1976 Chevrolet C10, price $4,500, shows 87,000 miles and features an automatic transmission with a blue exterior and matching blue interior. It's powered by a dependable 350 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission,
the truck starts and runs reliably and has received plenty of maintenance and new parts over the years. It's mostly been used as a weekend hauler and stored during winters. Currently, it needs a new transmission, as it slips out of third gear once warm and takes a few seconds to engage reverse. It's still drivable locally and could be fixed with a simple weekend swap by a handy owner. There's some rust on the body but nothing loose. It also comes with a period-correct aluminum cap that can be easily removed. Minor leaks from the engine and transmission are present, and the power steering hoses could use replacement. Number 7. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,800. It features an eye-catching two-tone red and silver exterior with a natural patina that adds character and authenticity. The truck is powered by a reliable 5.0-liter V8 engine with 188,000 miles on the odometer and paired with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and classic driving experience. The vibrant red interior is in great condition and highlights the truck's well-preserved state. It comes equipped with several desirable features including power windows, power door locks, air conditioning, and tow mirrors for added convenience. The vehicle also sports a dual exhaust system with chrome tips, giving it a distinctive sound and enhanced appeal. Currently, the passenger door panel has been removed, as the window appears to be off track, an easy fix for a classic enthusiast. Completing its vintage look are black Vision wheels fitted with Cooper Cobra tires, adding a bold finishing touch to this timeless pickup. Number 8. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500. It comes with a white exterior and a brown interior, running on gasoline. The truck is in generally good condition but requires a few repairs to make it perfect. The left turn signal does not stay down automatically, it needs to be held in place for the blinker to function properly, although the right signal works as intended. Currently, the truck does not have a catalytic converter installed, but 2 spare converters are included in the bed. The radio powers on but only produces white noise, likely due to a faulty antenna that may need replacement. It has a clean title, and while the truck originally came without a tailgate, the previous owner installed a green replacement door. Number 9. 1972 GMC 1500, price $8,500. This truck retains its original 350 Ci engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and 12-bolt rear end. It features factory front disc brakes with a dual master cylinder, offering reliable performance. The truck has been tastefully refreshed with new inner and outer rockers, new seat upholstery, new carpet, and aftermarket sound deadening. Additional updates include a gas tank cover, new stainless steel door sills, new door seals, and all glass and weather stripping in excellent condition. The frame is solid, and it rides on factory GMC hubcaps with a new battery installed. Everything works as it should. The truck runs, drives, and stops great, showcasing a beautiful patina that adds to its vintage charm. Number 10. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000. It has covered approximately 167,000 miles and is powered by a strong 5.7-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance and that signature Chevy sound through its true dual exhaust system. Inside, the truck features a remarkably well-preserved blue interior that complements the exterior color scheme, offering both comfort and vintage charm. Modern conveniences such as power windows, power door locks, and air conditioning add practicality to its timeless design. Riding on stylish 454SS chrome wheels with matching center caps and lug covers, this Chevrolet 1500 combines classic American styling with durability and attention to detail, making it a standout example of late 1980s craftsmanship and performance.